And here's another image I did in our living room with the same background as I've used for my series Dancers at Home.
Okay, so here's the behind the scene for the full-on theme warming. So my scene is here, my daughter Milena sitting here. The first flash is this one. This provides an orange glow on the face. I have a little orange filter here somewhere that gives that orange glow. So the first shot I'm going to take is with that flash here. The second I'm going to take is with the light, with the candle lit, and that gives me just for the flame. And for the first shot, I'm going to hold this flash upside down to give that orange spot around the light and around the candle, and to light the candle a little bit. And you can see on the right side here, that is a beauty dish that has a little blue gel to give that little blue cold light on this side. And I placed a black flag here to avoid the light hitting the background, because that would brighten the background, which I don't want.
Here is the image in Photoshop. So you can see the effect of the blue light on her back here. By the way, you can notice that I flipped the image around, usually because it's easier to read an image from the left to the right. So I thought it was better to have a point to the right side. So the blue is here. She's warming her hand on the flash that has this little silver in front of it in order to avoid blinding the camera. So first thing that I'm going to add is this image here with the flash pointing from above, which gives that aura, that little round of light at the bottom. And I'm going to remove the mask here. And now you can see the candle. We're missing the flame of the candle, so I took one more image here where I'm only going to detour this area here. So let me remove the mask, and here is a mask with the light here. Next, I'm going to fill in the background. This here is going to fill the area where I forgot to remove the candle. And at the top here, I need to also add the sideboard on the left here, so that is one more layer. And finally, I'm going to finish this image with a little bit of vignette around to make the edges darker, so you really have the impression that the focus is really attracted on the source of the light. Again, pretty simple image to create, so I hope you enjoy these little tutorials. I've made quite a few now, and see you soon.